करना है, आपको समझ में नहीं आया मैं क्या करवाना चाह रहा हूँ। यस, आदित्य सोनवाल, बॉयज कैमरे चालू करो अपने, बिना कैमरे के नहीं बुलवाऊंगा मैं बॉयज से, अच्छे समझ लेना। स्टार्ट करो आदित्य।
सर 2 मिनट बाद बोलूं?
2 मिनट बाद नहीं, अभी बोलोगे आप। कैमरा चालू करो और बोलना चालू करो आप।
सर 2 मिनट बाद।
थोड़ी होता है कोई, गलत बात है, बहुत गलत बात है। मर्जी है आपकी, कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं लाओगे तो कैसे काम चलेगा? सभी ऐसे करेंगे फिर तो। हर्षित मीणा, B8।
Okay, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Harshit and I am the student of B10 Raman Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is a view of a railway station.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड, शाबाश।
One day
बोलो।
I went to a railway station with my father.
नहीं, टू द रेलवे स्टेशन। ए का मतलब क्या होता है? एक ही तो होता है रेलवे स्टेशन पूरे शहर में। बोलो।
Okay, sir. To the railway station with my father, and I was going to take my sister.
वेरी गुड,
She was coming from Gujarat.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, इंट्रोडक्शन बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है, वेरी गुड। इसको कहते हैं
We
कॉन्फिडेंस।
went there by our car and bought a platform ticket.
एक क्यों, दो जने हो तो दो खरीदेंगे ना। बॉट प्लेटफॉर्म टिकट्स।
Bought platform tickets and we went
प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड, देख देख एक चीज को ध्यान में रखो, बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो आप, करो आगे बोलो।
there on the platform. There were some stools and some people were sitting on their luggage. And there were some vendors and there were some stalls of teas where people were drinking teas and
टीज नहीं, टीज
reading
क्या होता है बेटा? टीज क्या होता है? व्हाट इज टीज?
tea.
अनकाउंटेबल है टी, तो बोलो आगे बोलो।
Tea and reading newspaper. After some time, a man come there and asked us that when will the train come. So we told them that after 1 or 2 hours the train shall come.
शैल क्यों, वी विल आएगा, शैल क्यों लगा
Will
दिया?
come.
ध्यान से, आराम से, हाँ।
And after 2 hours we waited and the train came. We took
आफ्टर
our
2 आवर्स वी वेटेड का मतलब क्या हुआ?
we waited for 2 hours.
हाँ,
My
आगे
sister
बोलो।
came out from the train and
ट्रेन कहाँ आई अभी?
2 घंटे बाद इंतजार करने के बाद.
तो ऐसे बोलो ना, आफ्टर वेटिंग फॉर 2 आवर्स द ट्रेन केम।
And there was so crowd. After some time we saw her and she also saw us. We took her from the platform and took her out of the station and we went to our car and we went to our home. That's all, sir.
बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की, और ध्यान से करना है इस बार, शाबाश। कॉन्फिडेंस होना चाहिए, सब चीजें होती
Okay,
हैं।
sir.
यस, प्रिया।
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Priya Meena, and today I'm going to tell you about the the view of a railway station. Last week, my friend was coming from Mumbai, so I went to take her to the railway station. And I went to the railway station by the auto and
By an auto.
and
दा क्यों लगा रहे हो? By an
by,
auto.
by an auto. And when I went there, I bought ticket uh, to go
To
inside.
enter. To enter inside. हाँ, to
To
go inside
enter.
भी ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. हाँ ठीक है, वो भी ठीक है.
Yes, sir. And I saw there were so many people who were waiting for the train
शाबाश,
which
बहुत
was
अच्छा बनाया.
which was about to come. I saw there roadside vendors who were selling many things to eat
Of eating.
of eating. And
Many eatables कह सकते हो आप. Who are selling many eatables. आगे बोलो.
I and then I sit upon a table
Sit क्यों? Set आएगा.
sat upon a table, and I saw there some people were purchasing tea from the tea stall, and some people were purchasing book and newspaper from the uh, stationery
Shop.
shop. And there were some children there were some children some children were playing here and there, sorry. and 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 then the train arrived on the station, the
The station. Only the station. Arrived the station.
the station and the rush rush of the people towards the rush of the people
नहीं नहीं नहीं.
ran to
People ran. People rushed towards the train. As the train came, people rushed towards the train.
सर वो भीड़ के रश वाला बोलते थे.
हाँ हाँ, मैंने वही बता. अच्छा.
The rush of the people.
हाँ ठीक है, बोलो.
The rush of the people ran towards the train, and after some time I saw my friend, and we came outside from the railway station, and we took an auto, and we came home, and we came back home. That's it.
वेरी गुड. बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की. शाबाश. यही कोशिश है, बस थोड़े दिनों में प्रैक्टिस से सब ठीक हो जाएगा. तो थोड़ा बहुत आ रही है ना, वो सब ठीक हो जाएगा. बस प्रैक्टिस करते रहो कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ में, इसी तरीके से. वेरी गुड. कीप इट अप. श्री.
Hello everyone, my name is Shri. Today's my topic is the view of railway station. Last year, my friend was coming from Delhi, so
दिल्ली नहीं, दिल्ली.
Delhi.
हाँ.
So I went railway station for receive him. I went
To
there
receive him.
by
To receive him. थोड़ा ध्यान दो चीजों पे. हाँ.
to receive him. I go there.
I went there.
I
क्या कर
went
रहे हो?
there. I went there by auto. I took a platform ticket. I saw there that there was so many peoples.
There were so many people. People में ऐसा नहीं लगता है.
There were so many people. They were some were sitting with their luggage, and there were so many children some were weeping and some were playing. There was many shops of
देयर वर,
tea.
ध्यान नहीं रखते हो
There
वर्ब का, सिंगुलर प्लूरल का. हाँ,
there were so many shops of tea and books. So many people were taking tea and so many people were buying books. I also took a book. After an hour, the train came.
कैम नहीं, केम. कैम क्या होता है? केम होता है. कितना ठीक करवा चुका हूँ मैं, तुम ध्यान नहीं देते हो. हाँ,
I saw my friend. He also saw me. I received him, and we came back to our home. That's it.
वेरी गुड. बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की. थोड़ा गलतियों पे ध्यान दो आप, जो आप कुछ है ना, उन चीजों को थोड़ा ठीक करने की कोशिश करो आप.
Okay, sir.
यस. नेक्स्ट आदित्य. आदित्य,
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir.
गुड इवनिंग.
Good evening, sir.
वेरी गुड. बोलो
My name is Aditya Sonwal. Today I am telling about a visit of railway station.
बेटा.
One day my friend was coming from Mumbai.
Yes.
So I went to railway station to take him.
हाँ,
I was going to pick up to him to railway.
घबराओ मत, सोचो आराम से. घबरा जाते हो बहुत जल्दी.
I went to railway station at 10 o'clock.
हाँ.
On railway station, the people were okay, sir.
ये देयर भी बोल सकते हो आप. देयर आ जाएगा स्टेशन के लिए. ठीक है, बोलो.
Okay, the people were drinking tea on stalls. Some
ऑन नहीं,
people
एट
were
स्टॉल्स. ऑन स्टॉल्स नहीं, ऑन तो स्टॉल के ऊपर हो जाएगा. एट
okay, sir.
स्टॉल्स. उस पोजीशन को पकड़ो आप. उसके लिए एट
Okay,
यूज
sir.
करेंगे अपन. आगे बोलो.
Some people were selling goods. There are so many peoples who
देयर वर
were
सो
waiting.
पीपुल में एस नहीं लगाते कभी भी. देयर वर.
Okay, sir.
बोलो, घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी. हाँ.
Who were waiting for the train.
हाँ.
I asked the shopkeeper when the train would arrive.
हाँ.
The shopkeeper said that train will arrive at 12 o'clock.
ठीक है.
I waited for there for 2 hours.
नहीं, I waited there for 2 hours.
Okay, sir. After waiting long, the train came. My
शाबाश.
friend came out from the train.
आपका ट्रेन.
From the train, I saw my friend.
आई
We
सॉ हिम.
took.
माय फ्रेंड की जगह हिम. कोशिश करो बेटा, हो जाएगा.
Okay, sir.
थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस
Him.
कम है, हो जाएगा. हाँ.
We took an auto and went home from there.
हाँ, केम होम फ्रॉम देयर, है ना.
Sir, that's it.
कोशिश करो, घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी, है ना. बस.
Okay, sir.
बस. और कैमरा चालू रखा करो अपना मैक्सिमम टाइम. कैमरा बिल्कुल बंद मत किया करो.
Okay, sir.
हाँ, तुम बहुत ज्यादा शर्माते हो तुम यार. लड़के हो तुम यार. इतना भी क्यों यार. बेटा थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस अपने अंदर डेवलप करो. ऐसे नहीं
Okay,
काम
sir.
चलेगा. हाँ बेटा. ओके, वेरी गुड. रक्षित.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Rakshit Maurya. Today I am telling a scene of the railway station.
वेरी गुड. द सीन. ए सीन नहीं, द सीन.
Yes, sir, the scene of a railway station. The railway station.
रेलवे स्टेशन. ठीक है, आगे बोलो.
Last week, my My brother came from Ajmer. So, my father and I and my father receive him.
हाँ,
Sir, we went to railway station to receive him with
शाबाश, हाँ ऐसे, हाँ
my father bought platform ticket and we went inside
शाबाश, वेरी गुड, घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी, बहुत बढ़िया, हाँ हाँ,
and we saw there were very crowd.
there was much crowd, there
Yes, sir.
was much crowd,
Yes, sir. There was much crowd and we saw there were many stalls. Some people ate food there and
ईटिंग पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस में आए गए, खा रहे थे, खाया थोड़ी, जब हमने देखा तो वो सीन चल रहा था ना वहां पे,
yes, sir. Some people
हाँ
were eating food
हाँ,
and we saw some people sit some people were sit on benches with their
सिटिंग पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस में आएगा ये भी, वर सिटिंग,
sitting on benches with their luggage.
शाबाश, हाँ आगे बोलो,
We saw there was a canteen.
हाँ
Some drank tea there.
पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस, सिंपल पास्ट क्यों आएगा इसमें, पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस ही तो आएगा, सम पीपल वर ड्रिंकिंग टी, आप उस समय देख रहे हो ना,
Yes, sir. Some people were drinking tea. We
हाँ,
wait. We waited for.
वेट नहीं, वेटेड,
Yes, sir. We waited for 1 hour.
हाँ
We saw train. Train came there,
हाँ
and we saw my brother.
हाँ,
And my brother also saw to us.
नहीं, saw us,
Yes, sir, saw us. We went to our bike and we came back to our house, sir. That's it.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की, शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड, रिपीट अप, प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो ना बराबर,
Yes, sir.
वेरी गुड, यस कम ऑन, कोहिनूर,
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My
कैमरा
name
चालू
is
करो,
Konur and hello everyone. My name is Konur and I am the student of Raman English Online Interactive Classes from batch B10.
आवाज बढ़ाओ थोड़ी,
Now
वॉल्यूम बढ़ाओ अपना,
I'm going to tell you about the scene of railway station.
और आवाज
Uh,
बढ़ाओ, वॉल्यूम
last
बढ़ाओ,
last
हम तो
Saturday
बैठे हुए हैं,
I
हाँ
last Saturday I got a chance to receive my best friend.
हाँ,
This is my best friend. The scene at the railway station was very crowdly.
क्राउडली,
There,
क्राउड,
there
हाँ क्राउडली नहीं, क्राउडी,
much crowd. There were much crowd.
अपडेट कर दो, हाँ,
Okay, sir. There were some men, women, and many children waiting for their trains.
सामने
Waiting
देखो
for
बस
their
केवल,
train.
हाँ मेरी तरफ देखो सामने,
Waiting for waiting for their trains.
हाँ
And there were some passenger waiting waiting from waiting from there were some passenger waiting mm, from their train in the waiting area. Mm. Uh, there were many hawkers. So many hawkers were shouting to sell their mm, to sell their goods. To sell their goods. To sell their goods, there were many stalls like tea stalls and many shops. Uh, 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 when I saw my friend when I saw my friend and uh, at at the end my friend saw also me Fr- and I came back to home. I like the scene of delusion. That's it.
आई केम बैक टू होम, और दोस्त को वहां छोड़ के आ गए, आप देखा एक दूसरे को आपने, तो मिले तो हो नहीं, आप स्टेशन से बाहर आए नहीं, सीधे
We
घर आ गए आप,
we both came to home
हाँ
at the
ओके
end.
वेरी
I
गुड
like the
बहुत
scene.
वेरी गुड बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की थोड़ा सीक्वेंस टूटने नहीं चाहिए आखिर तक है ना
Okay,
वेरी
sir.
गुड ओके ठीक है मनीषा सेकंड
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. सर आपको मेरी वॉइस आ रही है?
बिल्कुल आ रही है आप बोलो
ओके सर, एक मिनट.
एक मिनट नहीं मिल सकता ना ये तो प्रॉब्लम है
यस सर, यस सर.
ऐसे थोड़ी
हेलो
होता है
एवरीवन. Yes, sir. Hello everyone. I am Manisha and I am the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes. Now I am going to tell you about the scene of a railway station. Last Sunday, my friend was coming from Delhi, Delhi and
दिल्ली हाँ
Delhi, and I went the railway station to receive her, and I went. First of all, I bought a platform ticket to go inside and went inside.
हम्म,
I I saw so many people there. Some were standing, some were sitting on the benches with their luggages, and
शाबाश
some were having tea, and some people were were playing here and there.
हाँ
Uh,
फ्लो लाओ हाँ
so I saw many stalls there. The
हाँ
shopkeepers were selling books,
हम्म,
eatables,
हम्म,
and tea.
हम्म,
So many people were purchasing these things
हम्म,
from them,
हाँ हाँ ठीक है
and the passengers were waiting for the train that
हम्म,
which was about to come.
शाबाश बहुत बढ़िया
After some time, the train arrived,
वेरी गुड हाँ
and all the passenger rushed towards the train.
वेरी गुड बहुत बढ़िया हाँ
And after some time, I saw my friend, and she also had seen me.
ठीक है
And after it, we met, and we both come out from the station.
गेम आउट क्या कर दिया
Came
लास्ट
out.
में
Yes, sir.
हाँ
We both came out from the station
हाँ
and
ऑफ द
came
स्टेशन
to the home.
ठीक है ऑफ द स्टेशन बोलना चाहिए
Yes, sir.
ओके
That's it. Thank you, sir.
वेरी गुड बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की पर अलर्ट रहना चाहिए तुम्हारे को नाम बोलते ही चालू हो जाना चाहिए
Yes, sir.
ये नहीं कि 1 मिनट रुक जाओ 2 मिनट रुक जाओ वो नहीं होना चाहिए
Sorry, sir.
ओके नेक्स्ट मनीषा फास्ट
Yes, sir. Sir, your voice clear आ रही है?
आ रही है बोलो
Good evening, all of you. I am Manisha, a student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from batch B10. Today, I am telling about the view of railway station when I went there because of my friend. Last week my friend Sasi came back Karoli, who
was
came back
coming back from Karoli was coming back
was
और बिकॉज
coming
के
back.
बाद में ऑफ नहीं आएगा बिकॉज के बाद में ऑफ नहीं आएगा है ना
Okay, sir. Because of
अरे नहीं
because
ना
of my,
बिकॉज के बाद में ऑफ नहीं आएगा
okay, sir. Because my friend.
हाँ
last week my my friend was friend was coming from Karoli who went his her village for the summer vacations
who had gone, यहाँ पर went नहीं आएगा, who had gone, ये
who
क्लॉज
had
थोड़ा गलत आ रहा है यहाँ पर, कोई बात नहीं आप बोल लो, अभी हूँ यहाँ पर नहीं आएगा, कोई बात नहीं आप बोल लो, बोलो आगे बोलो।
who had gone their village for of summer vacation
घबराओ
and
मत
he
बिल्कुल भी, मेरा कंसंट्रेशन करो थोड़ा सा, गहरी सांस लो एक दो, घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी, माइंड को क्लियर रखो एकदम, बिल्कुल मत घबराओ, आगे बोलो।
and who returned that day. So I went the railway station for receiving him for
हाँ
receiving her.
ओके,
I reached the railway station and bought the ticket and go
प्लेटफॉर्म
in
टिकट, नॉट ए
go
प्लेटफॉर्म टिकट, घबराओ
platform
मत
ticket
बिल्कुल भी, हाँ थॉट्स को छोड़ो मत, हाँ बोलो।
plate it and go in went inside the railway station.
हाँ ठीक है,
There were very crowd.
देयर
There were
वाज,
very
देयर वाज, क्राउड अनकाउंटेबल होता है, देयर वाज मच क्राउड,
there was much crowd. There was many stalls.
अब तो मैं, अरे तो वहां मैं नहीं आ गया तो वर आएगा ना, देयर वर मैनी स्टॉल्स, घबराओ मत तुम बिल्कुल भी, है ना, क्या बिल्कुल मत घबराओ, तुम इतनी हड़बड़ी क्यों हो रही है आपको, आराम से बोलो ना बेटा, हड़बड़ी क्यों हो रही है आपको, आराम से बोलो आप, बिल्कुल मत घबराओ आप।
There were many stalls like tea, samosas, and newspaper, magazines, etc. etc. There were some children
हम
who
चिल्ड्रंस नहीं, चिल्ड्रन,
there were children who were playing mm, and walked here and there.
हाँ एंड वॉकिंग, वॉकिंग आएगा ना, प्रेजेंट पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस में तो बना रहे हो ना आप इसको, तो दूसरा क्लॉज भी पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस में बनेगा ना, हाँ
and walking and here and there and some people wait 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 for their trains for
अरे
their
नहीं,
train.
फिर पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस में बनेगा, वर वेटिंग, पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस में तो चलेगा ना, उस समय के जो दृश्य सीन को आप बता रहे हो, तो उस समय क्या चल रहा था वही तो बता रहे हो ना आप, तो उसको आप पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस में तो आएगा ना वो, बोलो आगे बोलो।
Yes sir, some people waiting
वर
were
वेटिंग, वर
were
वेटिंग,
waiting for trains and some and they they took teas
दे
and
वर, दे वर,
they were taking teas and read newspaper
रीडिंग न्यूज़पेपर, क्या कर रहे हो, घबरा बहुत ज्यादा तुम हड़बड़ा रहे हो आज,
and reading newspaper. Some time ago, the
एगो नहीं,
train
आफ्टर, आफ्टर सम टाइम, एगो क्यों आएगा,
after some
आफ्टर सम
time
टाइम,
the
तो
train
आपके
reached
माइंड में थॉट चल रहे हैं ना हिंदी में, उसके हिसाब से पकड़ा करो आप चीजों को, हाँ
after some time the train reached there and my friend सर मेरे फ्रेंड ट्रेन से उतरने के लिए क्या उसकी
गॉट डाउन,
and my friend got down the train and I saw her and he saw also me
इसी, कोई बात नहीं, बोलो बहुत हड़बड़ा रहे हो तुम आज, हाँ
and then we go out we went outside the railway station and take a
रुको,
took took a auto and
ए ऑटो नहीं, एन ऑटो, आर्टिकल सीखा हुआ है ना, एन ऑटो,
sorry auto yes sir
प्रेजेंस
and
ऑफ माइंड होना चाहिए, हाँ
took an auto and reached in
reached in my PG.
एट माई
That
पीजी,
at my
एट माई
PG. That
पीजी। हाँ ओके, आज तुम हड़बड़ा रहे हो बहुत ज्यादा है। थोड़ा सा फोकस किया करो चीज के ऊपर, थोड़ा सा अपने मन को पकड़ना सीखो आप थोड़ा सा,
okay.
है ना? ऐसे हड़बड़ाहट नहीं, बस घबराहट में सब खराब कर दिया। कोई बात नहीं है, फिर भी बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की है ना? सुनना अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग, आप धीरे धीरे ठीक हो जाएगा सब, कोई चिंता मत करो आप। यस हर्षित, फास्ट।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit Moria. I'm the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is the visit of railway station.
शाबाश।
Last Sunday, I went to railway station because my friend came from
वाज
Delhi.
कमिंग, क्या कर रहे हो? वाज केम क्या होता है?
Was coming from Delhi.
हाँ,
I bought railway station ticket uh, and go inside. Sir,
बोल बोल बोल। वेंट,
there
वेंट इनसाइड, वेंट इनसाइड आएगा ना बेटा? क्या कर रहा है तू? ध्यान नहीं रखेगा क्या? डांट खाएगा। हाँ
yes, there was much crowd.
हाँ
There were some shops like food shop, tea shop, book shops, etc. Some people were drinking tea and some people were
रीड
reading
रीड।
newspaper.
हाँ, ध्यान से, कंसंट्रेशन, फोकस।
Some people were sitting on the benches and some were walking here and there.
वेरी
Some
गुड।
some children were playing.
चिल्ड्रंस नहीं, चिल्ड्रन।
Children, yes sir. Some children play there,
अरे फिर वही बात,
playing
और
there.
प्लेइंग देयर। कभी कुछ गलती, कभी एक ठीक करवाता हूँ, दूसरी गलती कर बैठते हो। ये माइंड माइंड इधर उधर घूमता रहता है तुम्हारा, इसको पकड़ के क्यों नहीं रखते हो आप? आगे बोलो।
There were some vendors
शाबाश।
who were selling samosa,
समोसा, एक ही समोसा बेच रहे थे? समोसाज।
samosas.
हाँ,
Sir, after some time, the train was arrived.
आज अराइव्ड का मतलब क्या हो गया? खाली अराइव्ड ही तो आएगा बेटा, सिंपल पास्ट का एक्टिव ही बन रहा है, तो ध्यान रखना थोड़ा सा। सर्दी बहुत ज्यादा है, पतंग ज्यादा उड़ा ली बेटा, लालटेन उड़ाएगा। चल बोल अभी, पहले तो बाद में उड़ाऊंगा लालटेन तेरी। बोल।
He
ट्रेन आ गई, अभी तो ट्रेन आई है। आफ्टर सम टाइम द ट्रेन अराइव्ड। आगे बोल।
my sir, मेरा दोस्त बाहर आया, इसको क्या कहेंगे?
केम आउट, क्या कहेंगे?
My friend came out from the train.
ऑफ द ट्रेन, केम आउट ऑफ द ट्रेन। हाँ,
Yes, sir. He saw me and I also saw him. Sir,
फिर
then
देख के छोड़ दिया। हाँ,
then we go outside.
एंड देखते ही बाहर हो गए हम, ये वो मिले एक दूसरे से। आप उसके पास गए होंगे, वो उसके पास आया होगा। ही केम टू मी या आई वेंट टू हिम।
Yes, sir, I came.
अरे क्या हो गया?
Sir, he came to me and we came and we went out.
Came out of the station.
Came out of the station. Then we took a auto and
An auto. A auto नहीं, an auto.
an auto and reached home. Reached home. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड। पतंग उड़ाने में दिमाग लग रहा होगा तेरा आज तो, दिख रहा है मेरे को। डांट पड़ेगी बेटा, तू ऐसी गलती करेगा तो अब बहुत जोर जोर से ध्यान रखना, तो फिर मत बोलना मेरे को।
Okay, sir.
बस, और उड़ा ले कल कल पतंग। नेक्स्ट। यामिनी।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Yashashvi Sav. I'm the I am the student of Rambar English Interactive Classes from Batch B10. Today, I am telling about the scene of railway station.
SIM टेलिंग, इतना जो लंबा के आई एम टेलिंग, कोशिश करो।
I am I'm telling
आई एम टेलिंग, यस, कोशिश करोगे ना तब आएगा। हाँ,
I'm telling about the scene of railway station.
हाँ,
Last month, I got a letter. So इसको क्या
बस बोल।
बोलते? मुझे पता चला।
आई केम टू नो।
हाँ, and I came to know my best friend Divi came back India. My best friend Divi go to Delhi because she
गो टू दिल्ली, क्यों क्यों?
सर because बता रही हूँ ना
गो
because
टू दिल्ली, गो टू दिल्ली कौन सा टेंस आ गया है?
she went to Delhi because she got the good job there.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, बाहर आ गई, वो विदेश से बाहर आ गई, क्या बोला था आपने?
She went to Delhi.
नहीं, दिल्ली से इससे पहले क्या सेंटेंस बोला था आपने?
पहले से ये बोला था I got a letter
हाँ,
and I came
केम टू नो।
my best friend Divi came back India. My best friend Divi went to Delhi because she got the good job there.
हाँ,
There. 1 year ago, she came back India, so I received I went to railway station receive her.
करने के लिए गई है तो केम बैक टू इंडिया कहां से आ गया इसमें? सीक्वेंस समझ में नहीं आ रही ना मेरे को।
Sorry sir, she came back Jaipur.
बोलो आगे, बोलो आप। थोड़ा इजी उसमें आना चाहिए, ये नहीं कि थॉट ही समझ में नहीं आ रहा आपका। आप तो कह रहे हो, कभी तो आप कह रहे हो कि वो दिल्ली गई जॉब के लिए, कहां से गई पता नहीं, फिर आप कह रहे हो कि वो इंडिया आई। अब ये कुछ बातें समझ में नहीं आ रही ना।
सर मैं आगे बोलती हूँ।
अगर आप कितना भी अच्छे से बोल लो ग्रामेटिकली, पर अगर आपके थॉट्स ही क्लियर नहीं है तो वो तो वर्थलेस हो जाएगा ना फिर। आगे बोलो आप।
First of all, I took a auto and reached and went to railway station. Some time I reached there. I paid the bill of auto. I paid the fee of auto.
हाँ,
And looking here and there, I saw a man. The man was selling the platform ticket.
अच्छा।
Some
प्लेटफॉर्म टिकट ऐसे थोड़ी मिलती है कि आदमी बेच रहा था। प्लेटफॉर्म टिकट की तो विंडो होती है, वहां से
Window-
टिकट मिलता है।
विंडो थी कि
बाहर
सर?
खड़ा होकर थोड़ी बेटा आदमी बेचेगा कोई। हाँ,
नहीं सर, मैंने देखा था एक बार।
नहीं नहीं, गलत देखा आपने, ऐसा देख ही नहीं सकते आप। प्लेटफॉर्म
सर।
टिकट कभी ऐसे बाहर कोई खड़ा होकर नहीं बेचेगा बेटा। विंडो होती है वहां पर, है ना, उस विंडो से जाकर के आप टिकट परचेज कर सकते हो। आगे बोलो आप, कोई बात नहीं है। हाँ,
Some people's
पीपुल्स नहीं, पीपुल।
some people were purchasing ticket that window.
फ्रॉम दैट विंडो।
From that window, I also bought ticket from that window.
हाँ, कौन सा टिकट खरीदा? प्लेटफॉर्म टिकट आपको मेंशन करना चाहिए।
I also purchased platform ticket from that window.
वेरी गुड। हाँ,
I went in the station inside
In the-
station.
साइड
inside station.
हाँ
I saw some people sitting.
पीपल हाँ
Some
पीपल
people
वर सिटिंग, घबराओ मत, टेंस को
were
फोकस करो आप, घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी।
were sitting on the bench.
बेंचेस, ऑन बेंचेस, हाँ
On the benches. Some people went here and there.
वे वर वॉकिंग, पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस आएगा ना बेटा, घूम रहे थे, बैठे हुए थे, खा रहे थे, पी रहे
Yes, sir.
थे, इंतजार कर रहे थे, पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस आएगा ना, तो माइंड में क्लिक करो ना आप, इतना एक्टिव रखो माइंड को। हाँ
There is a bookshop.
देयर वाज ए बुक शॉप, घबराओ मत,
There was
फोकस करो आप, माइंड को पकड़ के रखो आप। हाँ
there was a bookshop. Some people's
पीपल्स नहीं, पीपल कितनी बार बोला मैंने?
some people some people were purchasing
हाँ
newspaper, books, magazines, etc. from there was a sweet shop. Some people took tea and
टुकने, फिर पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस आएगा, आप देख रहे हो ना सब हो रहा था।
taking tea and samosa, kachori, etc. from there.
हाँ
And after some time, the train came.
हाँ
My friend and I looked my friend,
हाँ क्या?
and I looked my friend.
हाँ I saw my friend,
I saw my friend,
हाँ
and I saw my friend. She also saw me,
हाँ
and she came to me,
हाँ वेरी गुड।
and we both out came. We both
वी बोल 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 बोल, वी बोथ
go
केम आउट
came out for the. We took the auto and came back home. Thank you. That's it.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा, ध्यान रखना अगली बार से, और अच्छी कोशिश करना। क्या मैंने सुनना अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग को, तेरे को ध्यान
Yes.
आएगा तुमने क्या क्या गलतियां की है, कितना मैंने समझाया तेरे को, अगली बार उनको अच्छे से करने की कोशिश करना, रोजाना का काम रहेगा ये अपना। वेरी गुड, शाबाश। इच्छा,
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Icha Singh, and today I am the student of Ramban Interactive Classes. Today I am telling the scene of railway station. So last time my mother was coming from Delhi, and I received
हाँ दिल्ली से आ रही थी और मैंने रिसीव कर लिया।
nahi. So I went
हाँ
the railway station. So first of all I took an auto
हाँ शाबाश शाबाश शाबाश। हाँ
and I went to the railway station.
तो I went to the railway station.
And I went to the railway station. After
घबराओ मत,
then I purchasing a
हाँ
plate.
क्या क्या परचेजिंग क्यों? टेंस का ध्यान करो, सोचो क्या थॉट है आपका।
After then I bought a
हाँ
platform ticket.
शाबाश शाबाश।
Platform ticket. फिर many people were walking here and there.
हाँ
There were many shops like food shop, tea shop, and book shop, etc. Some people were purchasing books.
हाँ हाँ बोलो बोलो बोलो, घबराओ मत, बिल्कुल मत
So
घबराओ।
I
आवाज को
also
पकड़ के रखो।
purchased
हाँ
book.
परचेजिंग क्यों?
So, so I also bought a book.
हाँ
Some children's playing there.
वर प्लेइंग,
Some children's were playing
चिल्ड्रंस
there.
नहीं चिल्ड्रन, ध्यान रखो, घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी, फोकस करो हर चीज के ऊपर। हाँ
Some children playing there.
वर प्लेइंग, इच्छा, ध्यान रखो,
Playing there.
कंसंट्रेशन करो, घबराओ मत, इतना बेस्ट आप कर सकते हो, आपको पता है। हाँ
After then, the train came there.
कैम नहीं केम,
After then the
आफ्टर
train
दैट नहीं,
came.
आफ्टर दैट नहीं, आफ्टर सम टाइम,
After
आफ्टर
some
दैट
time.
कभी नहीं। हाँ
Okay. After some time, the train came there, and some people were rushed.
हाँ नहीं नहीं, सम पीपुल रश्ड,
And some so train की तरफ.
झपटे, सिंपल पास्ट का एक्टिव ही तो आ रहा है, झपटे, फिर रश्ड, वर रश्ड का क्या मतलब हुआ?
Okay. Some people rushed
हाँ टुवर्ड्स द ट्रेन, घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी,
towards the
पकड़ो
train.
चीजों को, अच्छे हो, इंटेलिजेंट हो, आप पकड़ लोगे, कोशिश करोगे तो। हाँ
My mother saw me, and I also saw my mother.
हाँ वेरी गुड,
My mother came out on the train.
हाँ हाँ बोलो, घबरा क्यों रही है? केम
Came
आउट
out
ऑफ द ट्रेन,
of the train, and we sir we hug. मत सर, हम दोनों ने एक दूसरे
वी
को
हग्ड
गले
ईच
लगा.
अदर, बोलना।
We hugged each other.
हाँ
After some time, we came out of the railway
ऑफ द
station
स्टेशन, हाँ बोलना, घबरा मत बिल्कुल भी।
and
हाँ
took an auto.
हाँ
Took an auto and reached our home.
वेरी गुड, बहुत
That
अच्छी
was all.
कोशिश, शाबाश, घबराया मत कर, डरा मत कर, कोशिश करेगी उतना आएगा, और कोशिश करनी है, रिकॉर्डिंग सुनना अपनी, कल फिर मौका मिलेगा और अच्छा करने की कोशिश करना, डे बाय डे अपने आप को इम्प्रूव करने की कोशिश करो, क्या गलतियां आप कर रहे हो उनको दूर करने की कोशिश करो, थोड़ा सा बाकी है बस, कोशिश करो बस, माइंड में सिस्टम बन चुका है, उसको थोड़ा सा उसका फ्लो आना चाहिए, वो आ जाएगा प्रैक्टिस से, बस सेट हो जाएगा माइंड के अंदर परमानेंटली, चिंता मत करो आप। यस नाउ ज्योति।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Jyoti Narwal, and I am the student of Ramban Online Introductory Classes. Today, I am telling about what is the scene of the railway station. And
यस कैरी ऑन।
they, before one day of my birthday, my brothers were coming from Kota, and so we went to receive them by the auto, and
भाई एन
I
ऑटो,
went
ठीक है, दाखिल
by an auto, and I went there with my father. We bought an platform ticket, and I wanted to tell you that before that day I never saw the railway station scene, and I saw many things there, like many people were sitting there and many people were selling eatable things, and there were much crowd on the
देयर वाज,
at the railway
देयर
station.
वाज
And
क्राउड इज अनकाउंटेबल नाउ।
sorry, yes, sir, there was crowd at the railway station, and some children were playing here and there, and some were crying for purchasing toys and
शाबाश,
biscuit
बहुत
and
बढ़िया।
kurkures, and there was a tea shop stall, so many people were sitting there and drinking tea.
वेरी
And
गुड।
we asked to shopkeeper that
हाँ हाँ, तू क्यों
sorry, we,
आस्क
we
द शॉपकीपर,
we asked the shopkeeper that when will the train arrive. Then he told me that the train about to come
The train was about to come.
was about to come by till the train didn't came. We,
क्या?
जब तक ट्रेन नहीं आई,
इंग्लिश बोलो.
जब तक by till the train
By
didn't came.
by
By till
by till नहीं होता कभी भी.
till now.
नहीं. By the time.
By the time the train didn't came, we
Came क्यों आएगा? कम आएगा ना.
sorry
ध्यान दिए क्या?
the train didn't come. We waited there and we drank tea there.
Rank.
Drank tea there, and after some time we heard the sound of the train silencer, and I saw that the train was very big and many passengers were traveling in the train, and I saw that many people got down from the train and
Many people were getting down.
getting down. Many
ध्यान दो
people
जरा
were
थोड़ा सा thoughts पे. हाँ.
okay. Many people were getting down from the train, and some people
From की
were
जरूरत नहीं थी. आगे बोलो.
and some people sorry and some people were कुछ चढ़ने को took off,
नहीं. Were getting into.
and some people were getting into the train.
हाँ.
I
Very
saw
good.
I saw my brothers in those crowd and
In that crowd.
in that crowd.
Those क्या होता है?
And-
Crowd is not countable.
yes and in that crowd, and my brothers also saw me. They came to me and they hit me in the fun, and I asked them, you didn't face any problem to come
Actually face.
face.
नहीं. I asked them.
I
If-
asked
If they faced.
any problem
हाँ.
to come, and they told me we reached here in easy way, so we went
Easy
to
easily. हाँ.
easily and
Without any
we
trouble.
went okay sir and we went to outside of the station, and
We went meaning we came outside.
we came outside of the station and hired an auto and came back to home, and I liked that scene and I enjoyed very much. That's it.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. शाबाश. बहुत बढ़िया बोला. Yes, now Pinky.
Yes, sir. Jain Dolofi. My name is Pinky Olia. I am the student from Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today I am telling the scene of railway station. Last week, my best friend was coming on from Delhi, and I went railway station by an auto. There are many passenger.
Agent की तो बात ही नहीं है इसमें.
There were many passenger railway station.
हाँ. क्या?
There were many passenger.
नहीं, इससे पहले क्या सेंटेंस बोला था आपने? अच्छा.
सर वो
अच्छा बोलो आप. There were many passengers. आगे बोलो.
yes sir. And I bought platform ticket. I bought platform of ticket.
हाँ.
And
Platform of ticket नहीं होता भाई. Platform ticket सीधा तो बन रहा है. ऑफ लगाने की क्या जरूरत पड़ रही है?
okay sir. Yes sir.
आगे बोलो.
There are many people here and there.
नहीं, यार क्यों लगा रहे हो? There were.
Sorry, were. There were many shop there.
हाँ.
Some people were drinking tea, and some people were purchasing newspaper and books and magazines. Some people reading magazine and newspaper and
reading. घबराओ मत. सेंटेंस खत्म होने के बाद थोड़ा पॉज दिया करो.
yes.
ये मत सोचो कि भूल जाओगे. अच्छे से सेंटेंस को बनाने की कोशिश करो. Some people were reading newspapers. आगे बोलो.
Yes, sir. Some people playing. Some people.
क्या
Sorry.
बात है?
Some children were playing here and there,
हाँ.
and some children were crying,
हाँ.
and there was much crowd.
हाँ बोलो. शाबाश.
So, before some time, before some
After some time.
after some time, train came.
The train came. घबराओ मत.
Yes, sir. And my best friend got down.
हाँ.
I saw my best friend. And my best friend also saw me.
हाँ.
And and I and I sorry I bought and I both दोनों हाँ I both reached at
We both.
we both reached at house.
नहीं. अच्छा ठीक है. Okay ठीक है. We reached the house at the tower.
Okay, sir. And I was very happy that day. That's it.
Very good. बहुत अच्छी
Thank
कोशिश
you.
की तुमने आज. शाबाश. कोशिश करते रहो. शाबाश. और कोई रहा तो नहीं है ना? सब हो गए ना? मेरे ख्याल से तो कोई भी नहीं रहा. कोई रह गया हो तो बता दो. ओके.